Good morning, dear students. I, Professor Basavaraj Koluche, welcome you all for today's lecture of Business Communication, module number 4, video number 2. In previous class, we have discussed the simple meaning of report. That is, report is a summary of a study or analysis of a problem or a situation. And also we have seen the definitions given by various authors about report. That is, a report is a communication from someone who has some information to someone who wants to use that information. And then we have also seen the various importance and objectives of report. Today we shall see the types of report. The types of reports have been classified broadly on 3 types. That is, number 1, on the basis of legality or legal, on the basis of frequency, and on the basis of writer. We'll understand these 3 bases first, and then we will see the sub classifications. On the basis of legal or legality means those reports which are being made as a compulsion for compliance of an organization or of a company comes under these category. Either those reports will be compulsory or may be compulsion for compliance, or they may not be a compulsion for compliance. So these type of reports come under this classification, that is based on legal or legality of the reports. Then second one is on the basis of frequency. Frequency means how often we prepare those reports, whether daily, weekly, or fortnightly, monthly, whatsoever it may be. So the frequency, how frequently we prepare those reports, are also classified in routine and special. So these categories come under on the basis of frequency. And third one is on the basis of writer, whether the person who is writing that report or preparing that report is individual or a committee. Based upon that, these classifications are there. So the first type of classification, that is on the basis of legality, we will see. Here on the basis of legality, the reports have been classified under 2 types. Number 1, statutory reports and non-statutory reports. Statutory reports are those reports which are prepared in compliance with statute or law. Here the law makes those reports to be prepared as a compulsion. They should be prepared as per the law. These reports are known as statutory reports. For example, we prepare every year audit report, we prepare annual report of the organization, director's report, etc. So these sort of reports which are prepared to compliance with the law are known as statutory reports. Then second, non-statutory reports. Non-statutory reports are those reports which are not prepared or which are not compulsory for, say, for compliance or for submission to the government or competent authorities. But these reports are prepared for information and decision making. These reports will help the organization in making various decisions related to the organization. So that's why these reports are prepared. Then second classification is on the basis of frequency, how frequently we prepare the reports. Under this there are 2 types. Number 1, routine report, and number 2, special reports. The first one, routine report, we shall see now. The routine reports are prepared on recurring basis. Say it may be daily, it may be weekly, it may be fortnightly, it may be monthly, etc. These reports are say prepared to show certain facts, certain information and certain message. So these routine reports are again classified into three types. Number 1, progress report. Number 2, performance report, performance appraisal report. Number 3, inspection report. Here the first type of reports is progress report. It is based on the information, the progress of an organization or an individual. The outcome of this report is the reason for non-performance. Here, suppose a project is going on and this project progress report need to be submitted to check up to what level the progress of that project has happened, where the project is stopped, what are the problems for that hindrance, etc. And based upon that, the further plans would be made. That's why these progress reports are to be submitted. Even students, when they prepare a project or in plan training for 1 month or so, they submit a progress report on the weekly basis to their guide to get it approved in the academic completion of the graduation. So these kind of reports are known as progress reports. Then second report is performance appraisal report. As you all know, the performance appraisal of the employees is made to check or to say judge whether the employee is performing or no, or to say check the efficiency of the employee. These reports are prepared. These are mainly concerned with the performance of employees, and these reports will help whether to promote that person or to demote, whether to increase the salary or no, or need to transfer or need to remove. Will be checked by the performance appraisal reports. And the third type is inspection report. Say these reports are say on day-to-day working basis. The manager or the supervisor inspects the overall work and prepare a report. These kind of reports are known as inspection reports. It is prepared to find out the irregularities in day-to-day work. So these are the three types under routine reports. The next type under say classification of on the basis of frequency is special reports. These are reports which are prepared on special occasions. For example, if a study is being conducted to check the impacts of COVID-19 on economy, a report may be prepared. So these reports are special reports. Or the impact of COVID-19 pandemic on education sector, a report may be prepared. So these kind of special reports, which may not be in say occurrence in nature, will be say concerned with these special reports. These special reports are again classified into 4. That is number 1, first information report. Number 2, investigation report. Number 3, feasibility report. And number 4, confidential report. Let us see the first point, that is first information report. This is the report known as first information report. In short form, it is also known as FIR. When you go to police station, specifically this report is known as FIR. That is first information report. It is the report prepared to check the first hand information, or this report is prepared immediately after an event occurs or an incident occurs. It includes the statement of the observer, it includes the eyewitness, it includes the cause for that problem or incident, etc., etc. So all these things come under first information report. Suppose an accident has happened, so police will rush there and a FIR will be filed. That is first information report, which checks why this accident happened, what were the reasons for that. The eyewitness, their statement also will be included in that, and a report will be prepared. This report is known as first information report. Then second type of special reports are investigation report. Say these reports are prepared to find out the cause of the problem and provide the alternative solution for that problem. Now say in Chitradurga or so, in a hospital, at a time 18 COVID patients expired. So the chief minister made a note to investigate that, and a special investigation report was prepared and submitted to the government. These type of reports are known as investigation reports, wherein the problem is identified and the cause for that problem is also identified and a solution will be given. So these kind of reports are known as investigation reports. Then third report is feasibility report. Whenever we want to start any business, or we have prepared a B plan, or say we have planned a business, then we will check whether that business is practically possible, whether it is feasible or no, whether these type of businesses are applicable or can be started or no. All these things will come under these kind of reports, that is feasibility reports. Then next is confidential reports. It is prepared to evaluate the job performance of an employee, and the report is kept secret. Any kind of investigations which are made and the report is kept confidential comes under confidential reports. So these are the classifications on the basis of frequency. The last classification is on the basis of writer. Here, on the basis of writer, there are two types of reports. Number one, individual reports, and number two, committee reports. The individual reports are those reports which are submitted by an individual. It may be a manager, a branch manager, salesman, supervisor, etc. Any individual who submits the report, that reports are known as individual reports. And second type of reports on the basis of writer is committee reports. These committee reports are those reports which are prepared by a special committee or a separate committee and submitted by a group of members specialized in that certain field. So these reports are known as committee reports. So these are the classification of reports. That is number one, on the basis of legality, we have seen statutory and non-statutory. On the basis of frequency, we have seen routine and special. Under routine, we have seen the progress report, appraisal report, and the inspection report. And under special reports, FIR, then investigation, confidential, etc. And on the basis of writer, there are two types of classifications: individual report and committee report. So with this, we shall stop here. If you have any doubts and questions, you all can feel free to contact me at any point of time. Thank you. Good day.